Welcome to Profit Pulse. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, one of the most revolutionary innovations of our time. Stay tuned to learn what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's changing the future of finance. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like the Indian rupee or the US dollar, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network called blockchain, meaning they are not controlled by any government or central authority. Cryptocurrencies run on a technology called blockchain, a digital ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Imagine a giant spreadsheet that's shared across millions of computers, where every transaction is verified by a process known as mining or staking. Once verified, it's added to the blockchain permanently. Cryptocurrency has gained massive popularity for several reasons. 1. Decentralization. There's no middleman such as a bank or government controlling it. 2. Security. Cryptocurrencies use advanced encryption, making transactions highly secure. 3. Global accessibility. You can send or receive cryptocurrency across borders without currency conversion. And 4. Potential for high returns. Bitcoin, for example, started at a few cents in 2009 and reached an all-time high of over $60,000. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, but the most well-known include Bitcoin, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency; Ethereum, known for its smart contracts and decentralized applications; Binance Coin, used primarily for transactions on the Binance exchange; and Dogecoin, which started as a joke but became popular thanks to its strong community support. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrencies come with risks. First, volatility. Prices can rise or fall dramatically in a short period. Second, regulation. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. And third, scams and hacks. Always ensure you're dealing with trusted platforms. Interested in investing or using cryptocurrency? Here's how you can start. First, educate yourself. Understand the basics and risks involved. Next, get a wallet. A crypto wallet is essential for storing your coins securely. Then, choose a trusted exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or WazirX are popular options. And finally, start small. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Many experts believe that cryptocurrency is the future of money. With the rise of blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and innovations like NFTs, the possibilities are endless. However, only time will tell how this technology evolves and integrates into our daily lives. Thank you for watching this video on Profit Pulse. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. See you in the next video.